Hello everyone, this is a second video on blockchain technology, that is protocols. Let's see what is protocol generally. Protocols are a set of rules that allows the data to be shared across the network. Okay, that protocols is nothing but it is a set of rules. There are set of guidelines that facilitate the exchange of information in a simple, efficient and a secure way. Okay, different machines use different hardware and software, but protocols helps in communication. These protocols are used for communication and it also provides the guidelines and it has set of rules. Okay, the protocols play a very important role as they help to monitor and secure a computer network. Okay, this protocols helps to monitor and secure computer network. Okay, then why does blockchain need a protocol? Protocols is nothing but set of rules and it helps to guide the computer network. Okay, so why this blockchain need a protocol? But to maintain how data is transferred across the networks in a secured manner. In this blockchain, we are going to transfer the data. So whether this data is transferred in a secured manner or not, we need to check by protocol. Okay, a set of protocols is required. Since protocols are used for transactions, protocols play a very important role in data sharing so as to maintain the security of the cryptocurrency networks. These protocols are used for transactions and also data sharing and the security of the cryptocurrency networks. Okay. Here, what is blockchain protocols? We have learned about protocols and why does blockchain need protocols. Then what is blockchain protocols? Blockchain protocols are a set of protocols used to govern the blockchain network. Okay, the rules define the interface of the network, interaction between the computers, incentives, kind of data, etc. Okay, here the blockchain protocols is nothing but we are going to maintain some rules for interface of the network and interaction between the computers, incentives, kind of data, etc. The protocols aim to address the four principles. Mainly the blockchain protocols addresses to four principles. What are those four? Security, decentralization, consistency and scalability. Okay, for these four purposes we are using the blockchain protocols. Let's see one by one here. What is security here? Protocols maintains the security of the whole crypto network. This protocol security purpose we are using since the network involves the transfer of money. So protocols define the structure of data and also secure data from the users. When we are transferring the amount from one user to another user, we are maintaining some security. So for that security purpose, we are using this protocol. And next, decentralization. Blockchain is a decentralized network. Okay, we also know that blockchain is a decentralized network. There is no involvement of any central authority. There is no involvement of any central authority. So the protocols authorize the whole network. That means here the protocols involves whole the network and to share the transactions between one to another. Okay. Next, consistency. Whenever a transaction occurs, protocols update the whole database at each step so that each user is well versed with the whole crypto network. That means it will update each and every transactions when the transaction is done. So for that case, we are using this consistency protocol also. And next, scalability. In scalability, which protocol is used? Scalability means an increase in the number of transactions. Increase in the number of transactions. Earlier, scalability was an issue in the blockchain. Earlier, the scalability was an issue in blockchain. But nowadays, most protocols handle the issue of an increasing number of transactions. Blockchain technology is not for a small network. It is for a whole network. So but nowadays this scalability also have the chance to record all the number of transactions And nowadays most protocols handle the issue of an increasing number of transactions in the network and addition of the nodes to the network. These four, security, decentralization, consistency and scalability, are the blockchain protocols. In these four principles, we are using each of the protocol, how they are maintaining the rules and how they are maintaining the security, decentralization, consistency and scalability. Okay, next let's see here how does a blockchain protocol works with an example. Suppose there is a transaction between two individuals, that is A and B. We have two individuals named with A and B. Individual A makes a request to make a transaction. Then a block for A is created. Okay, that means A requested to make a transaction. For that case, we are creating a block for A. This block once created cannot be altered. That means we cannot change it. Once created, it will be stored in a place. Okay. Next, this is done by the blockchain protocol. How this block is created? According to the protocol. Okay. After this, the block is sent to each and everyone in the network. So everyone is able to see that a block is created. That means A is started to make a transaction. Next, this distribution of blocks across the network is also done by protocols. See here, A told that to make a transaction. Then protocol, what protocol did here? It created a block for the A. And next, it started giving to the each and everyone in the network. Everyone is able to know that A is create A as a block. How everyone know about that A as a block? Because of a protocol. Okay. After this, the distribution of block across a network is done by the protocol. Next, the nodes verify the transaction. After the verification, a reward is sent to each node. The sending of incentives is also managed by a protocol. Upon successful transaction, the block is added to the list. Protocols update the database. That means first the block is created, and that block is created is everyone able to see. And next, this transaction of blocks across the network is also done by the protocols only. In every step, protocols are working here. And next, the sending of incentives is also managed by the protocol only. After the incentives are sent, the protocol also update the database. The updated database is distributed across the network. How? By the protocols only. So that each user have access to the summary of the whole network. After this, the transaction is completed. Okay. So there is a involvement of protocols at each step for a secured transaction. Okay. Therefore, the whole crypto network is secured, scalable and consistency. To understand this example, let's consider your Google Pay or Phone Pay or else any Paytm. Okay. For this, we can easily understood how the transactions are made inside it. Okay. Next, let's see this all data in a pictorial representation. Okay. Here, see, a transaction is requested. What here working of blockchain protocol? A transaction is requested. Next, a block is created. After the transaction is requested, a block is created. How? Protocol maintain the block. Next, after a block is created, a block is sent to each node. Each node can be visible the a block. Okay. How? Protocol help in distribution. Next, nodes validate and get incentives. How? Protocol send the incentives. After nodes validates and get incentives, database is updated. Updation is done by protocol. After this, all the 5 steps will get transaction completed. This is about the working of protocol, okay, in the blockchain. Thank you.